Jai Hind friends, welcome to this new video. Again, we are coming back with a video on forgotten hero of Indian independence. His name was Martyr Manoranjan Bhattacharjee. He was from the Faridpur district of East Pakistan, present day Bangladesh, but earlier it was a part of India, and he was an Indian revolutionary. 22nd August 1932, at the age of 23, he was hanged by the Britishers. Against him, the charges were like this. In the Chittagong Armory case, that is the famous Chittagong Armory case, where he took part. Chittagong Armory raid was happened in the year of 1930, 18th April. After 2 years, in the year of 1932, he was convicted among the mailbag robbery of Chamugoria post office, where he looted the Britishers' money. And you know that to run the organization and to fight against the British, the Indian revolutionaries required lots of money to purchase the arms and ammunitions, because without arms you cannot fight against the British. And he took part in that, and he had looted the money of the British. Because of this, when they were doing this robbery, according to the British, one of the British employee grabbed him and he shot the two British employees, and both of them died. Later on, he was caught by the local people, and the local people handed over Manoranjan Bhattacharya to the Britishers, and the Britishers hanged him on 12th May 1932. He was a brilliant student, and he was studying in Koneshwar High English School. His uncle was working under the British government in the Assam Railway and Trading Company, because of which his father had given him, means actually admitted him in an English medium school. But he chooses the path what the Mother India requires, and he fought against the British and laid his life. So let's salute this forgotten hero of Indian independence. His name was Manoranjan Bhattacharya. He was born in the year of 21st July 1909 in Erikati of Faridpur district, which is now presently situated in the Bangladesh. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.